Hey guys, AP here, and today we're going to be explaining all the jars in Lightweight Java Game Library 3. And so I'm going to explain like the minimal OpenGL, the minimal Vulkan, and the everything pack. But for right now, I'm just going to do OpenGL for the first one. So minimal OpenGL is basically if I wanted to make a game, I would use this for the starting part. I wouldn't use it for the entire game though. So we're going to get started with async. So async is basically importing 3D models, and you can convert them. You can export 3D models, and it's basically importing 3D models, which we will be using for the next tutorial. GLFW, like I have done for the first 3 tutorials, is window creation, input. It does all of the things that the display class, mouse, or keyboard class did in Lightweight Java Game Library 2. OpenAL stands for Open Audio Library, and that's how you do 3D sound, like where you can make a sound go from your left stereo to your right stereo. OpenGL obviously is Open Graphics Library, and it's all the rendering in the everything. STB is image loading, or anything that has to do with red RGB colors, and just anything that has to do that. You can export, import. It's almost the same as async, except it's just for images. So minimum Vulkan AN is basically everything the same, except it's using Vulkan, which is another graphics simulant, and OpenGLES is quite the same thing, except using the ES version. It is basically for embedded systems. So instead of having a normal computer like you do for just normal OpenGL, you would use this for like chips on like calculators, or chips for that Raspberry Pi. And that stuff, and it has all the others, except it has EGL for obviously the same reason. And getting started, it provides all the things that we already covered, plus a little bit more, like BGFX is just another rendering stuff, GFW. Nano VG and Nano SVG is sort of like the rendering software, rendering things for SVG on HTML. Nuclear, which is for UI things, like getting UI, and like not making UI, but getting all the settings right and getting the input and output in. OpenAL, already said it. OpenGL. Shape is just procedurally generated shapes. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but that's what it is. And so the everything is, of course, everything. I'm not going to go through all of them, but that's just the important ones, is just these 4 options right here. And of course, the add-ons, Java Open Math Library. I tried to use that. It really doesn't work. Lightweight Java Game Library X, which is what the developers use to test their features. And Steamworks is a multiplayer part of Lightweight Java Game Library. And so obviously, each one of these has their special benefits, but for if you want to make a simple 3D game, just use the Getting Started, or either OpenGL or Vulkan, depending on which one you need to use more, but I would recommend OpenGL for Windows. And that would be it for the jar explanation. So hopefully that helps you. If you have any questions about the jars, if you have any questions about one of these jars that I haven't explained, just send me a comment or go join my Discord. Link is in the description, obviously. And yeah. Oh, also an announcement. I have also changed my theme to dark using what was it? I don't remember what it was, but it is very helpful. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.